Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav Markad and today's date is 15 November 2021. Today I have discussed super and final keywords in Java. So super and final keywords are two popular and useful keywords in Java. Useful keywords in Java. They also play a significant role in dealing with Java programs and their classes. In this chapter, we will learn about how to use super and final keywords within a Java program. What is super? What is super keywords in Java? So, super is a keyword of Java which refers to immediate parent of class and used to inside the class method definition for calling method defined in the superclass. A superclass having method as a private cannot be called. Only the method which are public and protected can be called by the keyword super. It is also used by class constructors to invoke constructors of parent class. So, uses of a superclass. Super variable refers to variables of the parent class. Super method invokes the constructors of immediate parent class. Super refers to the method of parent class. Here the example of a Java program which uses the super keyword. Instance refers an instance variable of the current class by default, but when you have to refer using super keyword to distinguish between parent class instance variable and current class. Here clerk instance variable. Second, what is final keywords in Java? So final is a keyword in Java that is used to restrict the users and can be used in many respects. Final can be used with class, methods and variables. So class declared as final. When class declared as final, it cannot extend it further. Hence, there is example what happens in program. Final class stud method cannot be extended to its class books. Extend to stud. White show system.out.println book class method in curly bracket public static void main method books s1 equal to new book method. So b1 dot show method. So this is because class declared as a final cannot be inherited. Second one is method declared as final. A method declared as final cannot be overridden. This means even when a child class can call the final method of parent class without any issues, but the overriding will not be possible. Here is a simple program showing what is valid. Variable declared as a final. Once a variable is assigned with the keyword final, it always contains the same exact value. Again, things may happen like this. If a final is always contains the same exact value. Again, things may happen like this. If a final variable holds a reference to an object, then the state of object can be altered. If programs perform certain operations on those projects, but the variable will always refers to the same object. But the variable will always refers to the same object. A final variable that is not initialized at time of declaration is known as blank variable. If you are declaring a final variable in a constructor, then you must initialize the blank final variable within the constructors of class, otherwise the program might show compilation error. Thank you.